Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you and I have got the Indy Box, and this is the January box. This is how it arrives through the post with my address on the back there. So as always, if you're new to the Indy Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're familiar with all the info and you're just curious in seeing what I received in the January box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Indy Box is a relatively new subscription box. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and this is the third box that they've come out with. It's a little bit different as in it's a box that solely supports small businesses, whilst also in the hope for you to discover new brands. Inside the box you will find 5 products that range from skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty and wellness. All boxes have a guarantee to be worth at least £50 and they work with over 70 independent brands. Now the cost of the subscription is £25 a month, and if you're in the UK it'll cost you £2.95 shipping, and to Ireland it's an additional £9.50 shipping. All the products are either full size or travel sizes, and also they might add in some bonus extras in there as well. On the 3rd of the month they release a full spoiler, so you're able to have a good look to see if it's a box for you or not, and also boxes are usually received by the 15th of the month. They've kindly given me a discount code to share with you all, which is Diary10, which will entitle you to have 10% off your first box. It's not an affiliate link, but it'll be down in my description if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the January box. So it looks like a little card here, a thank you card saying thank you for your order, and it goes on to telling you about their aim, which I've read out in previous videos, but I'll just read out this little part here. It says, when you are an Indy Box subscriber, you will receive 5 quality products to fall in love with every month. Get ready for a revolutionary beauty box. Indie businesses are people's passion projects that they pour their hearts and souls into and deserve more recognition for the fabulous work that they do to create their products. Enjoy your box and we hope to see you again next month. The Indy Box. It's veganary. Got a little bunny on the front there. So there's a little card and it details everything about the products in the box. Plus it gives you a cost as well, so I'm able to tot it all up and give you an overall value at the end. So here's the sneak peek. So the first item in the box is a hair mask. This is by the brand Kelf, or is it Self? I'm Welsh, so that looks like Kelf to me. It could be Self. I don't know. If you know, please let me know. I trust you lot. You always help me out with pronunciations. But anyway, it's a Supreme Hydrator Intense Deep Hydrating Mask, Repair Mask for damaged hair. I've got 250 mils here. So it's a large, full-size hair mask. What's it like? Oh, I can't even open it. I can't open it. I don't want to burst any blood vessels. I've got it. I've got it. That was really hard to open. Look. You'd be still here now, wouldn't you? Oh, look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, gorgeous. Thick gunge. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells like a gorgeous conditioner. Oh, it smells really lovely. So the recommended retail price for this hair mask is £22. It has high contents of antioxidants, essential fatty acids and vitamin E to give you soft, lustrous hair. Founded by Caroline Benjamin, she brings her sustainable ways to the lives of her customers and the beauty industry with a hair care range that combines salon-level performance and clean ingredients. That's the first item in the box. Next, we got something by Scrubby, and this is a coffee face scrub with grapeseed and shea, and this is for combination skins. Made in the UK, and it's 100 mils here. So it's a tin. Let's open this up. Is this easier to open? Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh my word. That just looks like tar. Now I'm going to have to be really careful how I show you. I'll put my hand there just in case. Hold on, let me tilt my camera. There, can you see? It's all liquidy. Ooh. It smells gorgeous. It smells of coffee and mint. Apologies if you could hear my husband blabbing in the background. He's working just outside the bedroom. But yeah, he's taken over my old filming room. Yeah, he's going to be changing that into his own little office because he has to work from home due to COVID, etc. So no more old filming room for me, but it's fine because I've been filming in this bedroom for the last couple of months anyway, but I keep everything in there, so I don't know what I'm going to do with all my beauty stuff. One of the reasons he's moving, believe it or not, which I think is really rude, is because I'm too loud. How rude is that? How rude. He's constantly, I've got 3 kids and it's me he keeps on telling off for being too loud. I forget. Really, really stupid. I forget. Anyway, back to this. It smells gorgeous. It just looks like tar. It does not look great at all. But let me put the lid back on. And then I'll read to you what it says. There's a little spatula here that you're supposed to use to mix it all together. The recommended retail price for this face scrub is £9.99. An ethical vegan skincare range led by an all-female team striving for a sustainable future in the beauty industry. Founded by Maddie, Scrubby focuses on repurposing ingredients for their products, bringing new life to one ingredient at a time traditionally considered a byproduct. Their first product line begins with reusing coffee grounds from local cafes for their coffee face scrubs, an exfoliator specifically formulated for different skin types to help with skin impurities and breakouts. And then it says down here, give it a mix with a stick included before using. So yeah, so you got a coffee face mask. Next we got a gorgeous colour. This is a floral lip oil. This is by Roosie. I think that's how you say it. See there? Ooh. I love lip oils. I use them quite a lot. I actually use them on top of dry lipsticks, and I'm wearing a dry lipstick now, so I can use this. Does it smell of roses though? No, it doesn't. Oh my god, what is the smell? Oh my, that is so nice. It's so hard. Sniffing, talking and applying. I can't do 3 things at once. Hold on. It reminds me of a lip oil that I had when I was a teen. I think lots of people my sort of age had them. They were quite a cool thing to have. I cannot remember what they're called, but that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of the taste as well. I know you're not supposed to lick them, but the smell is gorgeous. It doesn't really smell of floral though. It smells sort of sweet and fruity, and that is gorgeous. I do really, really like that. The recommended retail price for this lip oil is £5. This product has been created to restore and maintain your lips' moisture. The vibrant colour lip oils also act as a protective barrier against further dryness and leaves a shiny finish on the lips as a delicious fruity scent. Perfect for the winter months. Sister Kate and Kyle launched their shared dream in 2019. Roosie wanted to be a part of the positive change happening in the beauty industry and offer affordable beauty products that are vegan and cruelty free. Yeah, I really, really like that. Yeah, gorgeous. Next, we got a product by Purity. This is Purity Natural Beauty, and this is a Radiance Eye Gel. But the packaging, you might be able to tell, but it's 100% compostable. I received one of the products before on a different subscription, and yeah, I was really, really impressed with it. It contains little seeds that are apparently great for little bees, butterflies and pollinating insects. I think that's brilliant. I think that's so lovely. I can still hear him, can you? So loud. And the doors are shut. In one way, I am going to be glad when he is in my old filming room. But yeah, maybe you can't hear anything and you're wondering, what on earth is she on about? But anyway, oh, it feels so nice. It feels nice and cooling. I love gels. So the recommended retail price for this eye gel is £17. The Radiance Eye Gel reduces swelling and combats tired, puffy eyes for a fresher, more revived complexion. The gel contains avocado oil, marine collagen and green tea extract to help improve the appearance of your under eyes. The outer packaging of this product is plantable. Once planted in soil, the packaging will compost away and sprout into flowers and plants. Founded by Chloe, her aim is to create healthier connections between humans and nature, raise awareness of current environmental issues and their impact on us. She wants to encourage and offer consumers eco-friendly and sustainable cosmetic choices to ultimately clean up the cosmetic world. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a gorgeous packaged body oil. This is by Moa, Hello Sunshine, and it's an energizing body oil, and it contains marjoram and lemongrass, eucalyptus and yarrow, and it's 150 mils here. Gorgeous, gorgeous container. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Woo. You might not be able to see it clear due to the ring light. Okay, let's have a little sniff on my hand and then I'll try it on here. Right, I've got to be careful because usually with things that are liquidy, I squirt them too hard and then they go everywhere. Oh, I can already smell. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. Oh, I really need to get back into massaging. I have done courses in massage and I really do like it. I really, really like it, but I haven't done it for a long time. I used to do it quite often on my husband. But don't do it anymore. Dunno, we just go to bed, tired, that's it, roll over at night. The recommended retail price for this body oil is £20. This energising, zesty body oil is sure to brighten any day. Full of active organic ingredients, it will keep your skin healthy and vibrant, absorbing easily to nourish and hydrate while providing essential minerals, antioxidants and vitamins to protect and tone. Mayo create natural and organic skincare products made in England, inspired by old herbal folklore, made with carefully selected botanical ingredients to improve well-being and to practice a simple yet effective daily skincare ritual. So you've got a body oil, so those are all the products, so I'm going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. So these are all the products inside January's Indy Box. There's 5 products inside the box and they're all full size and it has a value of £72. Besides the products, what I absolutely love about this subscription is the fact that they go into detail telling you about the owners, the creators of the products, so it feels more personal. It's really lovely to have like a backstory of where the products come from, what are they thinking behind the brands and things, so I really like that. I really, really like that. I think looking at the products, we've got a bit of everything. We've got a hair mask, we've got a body oil, we've got a face scrub, we've got an eye gel, and we've got a lip oil as well. I do really like it. I do really like it. It is on the pricier side of boxes, which I've mentioned before, but the main aim of this box is to provide you with new and different products from smaller businesses, so the costs are going to be a little bit higher than your average, you know, cheaper subscription box then. No, I'm really chuffed with it. Really, really chuffed with it. Thank you to the Indy Box for sending it out to me. Can't wait to try this conditioner. It's gorgeous. Yeah, everything really. This oil, I love it. I love it. Brings back memories. If any of you are around my age and you remember having lip oils that were quite fashionable in the 80s. Okay, yeah, late 80s, early 90s, then let me know. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you subscribe to the Indy Box? Or is this a box that you think you're not too sure if it's for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.